Analysing reducing balance loans with recurrence relations. Here we're going to let Vn be the balance of the loan after n number of payments have been made. Let R be the interest rate per compounding period. Let D be the payment made. A recurrence relation rule that can be used to model a reducing balance loan is V0 equals the principal, Vn add 1 equals the common ratio multiplied by Vn, subtract the common difference, where the common ratio equals 1 add R over n divided by 100. In the first question, Bijou borrows $2,000 at an interest rate of 15% per annum, compounded monthly. He will repay the loan by 4 monthly payments of $515.70. Construct a recurrence relation to model this loan in the form of V0 equals the principal, Vn add 1 equals R, multiplied by Vn, subtract D, where Vn is the balance of the loan after n number of payments. So the first thing we need to work out is the common ratio. Now what we can do now is substitute our known values, where we have the interest rate per annum, and we know how many times it's been compounded per year, which is 12. So therefore we get the common ratio being 1.0125. Now we have enough information to create the recurrence relation. So initial value is $2,000, so V0 equals 2,000, then Vn add 1 equals 1.0125 Vn, then subtract $515.70. Bijou's loan can be modelled by that recurrence relation, as you saw before. Use your calculator to determine recursively the balance of the loan after Bijou has made each of the 4 payments. So therefore we have to use a CAS calculator like the ClassPad. So here we go, we've got our ClassPad. I'll minimise it for you so you can see all the buttons that I'm pressing. We go to menu sequence. We put in our values, so 1.0125 multiplied by, in this case, AN, subtract $515.70, and our initial value being 2,000. Give it a tick, and now we can create a table. So we're looking at the 4 payments. So our initial value was $2,000, and as you can see with Vn we get 0.0899, so therefore we can round that to 2 decimal places, so 0.09. And now what we can do now is place those values underneath the question, as you can see. So what is the balance of the loan after he has made 2 payments? This is really just reading off your solutions. So V2 equaled $1,012.47, so therefore that was the balance of the loan after 2 payments. Is the loan fully paid out after 4 payments have been made? So this is referring to V4, where it has 0.09. If not, how much will the last payment have to be to ensure that the loan is fully repaid after 4 payments? So the answer is no. Bijou still owes 9 cents, or $0.09. So now we just have to add that to the recurring payment, where we get $515.79. And therefore that is the last payment. Okay, reading and interpreting an amortization table. So these tables are used to reduce a current balance of a loan, and it shows you all of the payments that you can actually see below. So in this question, EB Games borrows $10,000 at a rate of 8% per annum. The loan is to be repaid by making 4 quarterly payments of $2,626.20. And as you can see, we have the table for this loan. So the first question, determine the quarterly interest rate. As you can see there, we know that it's 8% per annum. So what we just have to do is divide that by 4, and we end up getting 2%. Next, the interest paid when payment 1 is made using the quarterly interest rate. So here we can actually use the payment and the principal reduction to work that out, which is $200. Another way to do that would be working out 2% of $10,000, which was the balance of the loan at the beginning of this loan. Now we have to work out the principal repaid from payment 2. We can do this by going the payment, subtract the interest. So $2,626.20 subtract $151.48, which gives us $2,474.72. Now we can find the balance of the loan after payment 3 has been made. So here, because we are reducing the principal each time, we have to subtract that value. So we have $5,099.08 subtract $2,524.22. So we end up getting $2,574.86. Lastly, we can calculate the total cost of repaying the loan. Here we just have to add them all up. Again, we could use the class pad. We go to menu, the main screen. We have got 3 lots of $2,626.20. So we can multiply that by 3. Then we can just add the remainder, $2,626.36. As you can see, it's got an asterisk next to it because that final payment has been adjusted so that the final balance is 0. So therefore, the total should be $10,504.96. Now next, we can verify the total amount of interest paid because it equals the total cost of the loan subtract the principal. So we always check. So if we go $10,504.96 subtract $10,000, we should have exactly $504.96, and in this case, at the bottom of the interest table or column, we do. Another way is to add up the principal reduction and the interest.